Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing your base images and confirming they match your device resolution, because mismatched sizes cause blur. Once selected, import 2-4 images into the Wallpaper Mix tool and name your project. Then choose an initial blend mode, overlay if you want contrast, screen for lightening, multiply for depth. Make sure to set the output size to your screen resolution. This preserves sharpness. Finally, save a quick project snapshot before heavy edits, so you can revert instantly if a change fails. Now you layer and refine. You place images in the timeline or layer stack, then add masks to reveal only key areas. This prevents busy overlap. Once masked, adjust each layer opacity between 0 and 100% to find the right balance. Subtle shifts matter. Next, apply color corrections. Tweak temperature, saturation, and curves, because matching tones unifies the collage. Make iterative previews at 100% scale, and use snapping or guides to align elements. Those small alignments make the composition feel deliberate. Finish by exporting a high-quality PNG or JPEG and keep the editable project file, so you can iterate later. Once exported, apply the wallpaper to your device and check focal points. Make sure important content isn't obscured by icons or widgets. If edges look fuzzy or you see compression artifacts, re-export at native resolution and reduce compression. Alternatively, redo the problematic layer at full size. One key troubleshooting tip: if colors shift, convert the project to sRGB before export and recheck the result on the target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.